find 1 by 2 of 24. And they are given here two questions. First question is 1 by 2 of 24 and second is 1 by 2 of 46. Let us solve this first question, that is 1 by 2 of 24 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. So 1 by 2 of 24 is nothing but 1 by 2 into 24 by 1 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you can cross divide, like you cross divide ಮಾಡಬಹುದು because before you multiply you can cross divide also in multiplication. 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. Therefore answer is 12. 1 into 12 is 12 by 1, that is 12 by 1 is nothing but 12. The answer is 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next question, 1 by 2 of 46. So I'll take 1 by 2 of 46 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 1 by 2 into 46 by 1. So 1 by 2 into 46 by 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here you can again cross divide also. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, that is 23. 23 into 1 is 23 divided by 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 23 by 1. 23 by 1 ನಾವು ಬರೀ 23 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. So that is answer is 23. Next question. 2 by 3 of 18 and 2 by 3 of 27. First let us check 2 by 3 of 18. So 2 by 3 of 18 is written as 2 by 3 into 18 by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. And I can multiply and then divide, or I can divide and then multiply. First let us solve this by cancelling or dividing. Cross division ನಲ್ಲಿ solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That remainder is 2 into 6, that is 2 6 are 12 by 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And 1 ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಕೂಡ denominator we will write it as 12. So answer is 12. ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ, this is one the way of solving the problem. And let us see the second way of solving. That is, you should multiply 2 into 18. 2 into 20 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get 36 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Or now you can divide it both by numerator and denominator with the same number. That is 3 ones are and 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So now you got 12 by 1. So 12 by 1 is nothing but 12. 12 is the answer. So ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Next question is 2 by 3 of 27. So 2 by 3 of 27 is written as 2 by 3 into 27 by 1. So here let us cross divide first. That is 3 in the table actually ಎರಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So numerator ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ 2 into 9 remainder ಇದೆ. So 2 nines are 18 and denominator is 1. Therefore 18 by 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ answer. And 18 by 1 is written as 18. So answer is 18. Therefore 2 by 3 of 27 is 18. Next question. It is 3 by 4 of, first question is 16 and second is 36. So 3 by 4 of 16 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So 3 by 4 of 16 is written as 3 by 4 into 16 by 1. So we can cross divide first. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. That is 4 ones are 4, 60, 4 4s are 16. So now you can multiply these two numbers, that is 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 and denominator is 1. Therefore 12 by 1 andre 12 anta artha. The answer is 12. The next is 3 by 4 of 36. So 3 by 4 of 36 is written as 3 by 4 into 36 by 1. 36 by 1 anta ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು. So we cross divide ಮಾಡೋಣ first. So let us see 4 1s and 4 9s 36 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So numerator multiply ಮಾಡಿ 9 3s 27 by 1. 27 by 1 ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಬರೀ numerator ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, 1 ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. Therefore answer is 27. Next question. 4 by 5 of 20 and second is 35. So 4 by 5 of 20 first ಮಾಡೋಣ. That is 4 by 5 of 20 is written as 4 by 5 into 20 by 1. So 4 by 5 into 20 by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. So now we can cross divide 5 and 20. 5 20 ಒಂದೇ tables ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So 5 ones are 5 4s are 20. Now multiply 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16 and by 1. So 16 by 1. 16 by 1 is written as 16. So the answer is 16. Next is 4 by 5 of 35. So 4 by 5 of 35 is written as 4 by 5 into 35 by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. And 5 and 35 ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ tables ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore divide 5 ones are 5, 5 6 5 7 to 35. Now you can multiply 4 and 7. 7 4s is 28 by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 4 28 by 1 is written as 28. 28 is the And next mean multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So they asked multiply and then we should express in a mixed fraction. So let us multiply first. So first question is 3 into 5 1 by 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 3 into 5 1 by 5 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ first. So 3 into 5 1 by 5. So this is in mixed fraction and this is in whole number. So ಒಂದು whole number ಇದೆ ಒಂದು mixed fraction ಇದೆ. Let us convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 by 1 3 ನ ನಾವು 3 by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು and 5 1 by 5 ನಾವು mixed fraction convert ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ we have to multiply these two 5 5 is 25 plus 1 that is 26 by 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 3 by 1 into 26 by 5. So here we cannot simplify it. Cross divide ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. So you can't cross divide numerator cross divide ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Only have to divide numerator to denominator. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು it will not go. So therefore we will directly multiply the numbers to 3 into 26 multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So I get 78 by 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now the 78 by 5 is an improper fraction. ಅದು improper fraction ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು divide ಮಾಡಿ mixed fraction ಅಲ್ಲಿ convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See they have asked express in mixed fraction. Therefore we have to convert into mixed fraction. Therefore 78 divided by 5 gives 15. That is 3 is the remainder. That is 15. 3 by 5. This 5 goes to the denominator ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 numerator ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So answer is 15 3 by 5. Therefore the answer is 15 3 by 5. Next B question is 5 into 6 3 by 4. So 5 into 6 by 3 by 4 ನಾವು 5 by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So 6 3 by 4 ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 4 is 24 plus 3 that is 27 by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5 by 1 into 27 by 4. So you can't simplify this. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Therefore I have to multiply 5 into 27 multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and 1 into 4 multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. When you multiply 5 into 27 the answer is 135 by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is in improper fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore should divide 135 divided by 4 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 4 3s are 12 and 1 remainder by 15 ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 4 3s are 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 433 divide ಆಯ್ತು. So 33 is a whole number and 3 is a remainder. So ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 33 3 by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 33 3 by 4. The 4 is in denominator, 4 denominator ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ and 3 remainder ಇರೋದು numerator ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So the answer is 33 3 by 4. Next question. The C question is 7 into 2 1 by 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 7 into 2 1 by 4. 7 is written as 7 by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಬಹುದು. 2 1 by 4 is written as improper fraction ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to multiply these two. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So 9 by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು. 7 by 1 into 9 by 4. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Therefore we should multiply numerator to numerator multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 7 9s is 63 and 1 into 4 is 4. So 63 ನ ನಾವು 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we can convert it into mixed fraction. So 63 ನ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I get 15 and 3 as remainder ಬಂತು. Therefore this remainder goes to the numerator, that is 3, and this 4 goes to the denominator 4. So 15 3 by 4 is the answer. 15 3 by 4. I have solved only 3 questions and the remaining questions ನೀವೇ solve ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. Next question ನೋಡಿ. 7th main find a 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4 and second is 4 2 by 9. So already ನಾವು ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to multiply this. Let us find first question is 1 by 2 of first is 2 3 by 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. So 2 3 by 4 is in mixed fraction. So let us convert into improper fraction. Convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ first. That is 1 by 2 into 2 3 by 4 ಇರೋದನ್ನ improper convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ we will get 11 by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 1 by 2 into 11 by 4. So you can multiply. So cross division ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ cross division ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Therefore we have to multiply numerator and denominator to denominator ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ so 11 into 11 is 11. 4 2s are 8. So I get 11 by 8 and I can convert this into mixed fraction. So mixed fraction convert ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ divide ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 8 1s are 8 and 3 remainder. This 3 remainder goes to the numerator. So 1 3 by 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The answer is 1 3 by 8. And second question is 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. So 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9 is there. So 1 by 2 into 4 2 by 9 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 4 2 by 9 ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದು ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 2 into 38 by 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore ನೋಡಿ 2 ones and 2 ones 2 one ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇದೆ 18 ಇದೆ 2 9s 18 so we got 19. so ಅಂದ್ರೆ numerator I got 19 and denominator 9 ಇದೆ. answer is 19 by 9. ಈ ಕಡೆ 1 by 1 into 19 by 9 ಇದೆ. so if you multiply you get the same answer, that is 19 by 9. and 19 by 9 improper fraction ಇದೆ. let us convert into mixed fraction ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 1 by 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. so 1 is a new 1 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇರೋದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 2 is a whole number, 2 1 by 9 is a fraction. so 19 by 9 becomes 2 1 by 9. next question ನೋಡಿ. so 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. so 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6 ನ you have to multiply these two. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. so let us multiply. it is 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6 ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ 3 5 by 6 ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. that is 5 by 8 into 3 5 by 6. ಈ 3 5 by 6 ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get 23 by 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. therefore 5 by 8 into 23 by 6. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ 115 by 48. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 5 into 23 that is 115 and 8 6 48 ಬಂತು. now this is in improper fraction ಇದೆ. you have to convert into mixed fraction. therefore divide 115 by 48. so divide 115 by 48 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 is a whole number and 48 2 is 96 ಬಂತು. 19 is a remainder. so ಆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 whole number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and 48 becomes the denominator. 48 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. therefore 15 so 115 by 48 becomes 219 by 48 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. that becomes 219 by 48 is the answer. so next is 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. so ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. so 5 by 8 into 9 2 by 3 and 9 2 by 3 ನ ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we'll get 5 by 8 into 29 by 3. so here again ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, therefore I will multiply directly. 5 into 29 is 145 by 24. I get 8 3 is 24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. and now you have to divide this 144 by 24 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 24 6 144 and 1 is a ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಆ 1 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 whole number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. denominator is 24. therefore this becomes 6 1 by 24 is the answer. so this becomes 6 1 by 24. so here 8 men, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. their mother gave them water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. so ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಲೀಟರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. so Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. so what Vidya has consumed 2 by 5 of water. and next Pratap consumed the remaining water. so ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 2 by 5 ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ. therefore how much water did Vidya drink. so ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕುಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕುಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ total water given is equal to 5 liters. total ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ವಾಟರ್? 5 liters our mother gave. therefore total water given is 5 liter. Vidya drank 2 by 5 of the water. so ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು? 2 by 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. so they are given Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. now Vidya drank is equal to 2 by 5 into total water. so multiply 2 by 5 of 5, and the total water is to 5 liters. So if I multiply 2 by 5 of 5, I'll get the answer as Vidya drank. So Vidya ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕುಡಿದಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 by 5 into 5 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5 ones and 5 ones ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the answer is 2. That is 2 by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. That is 2 liters of water. So Vidya drank 2 liters of water. So next Pratap ಎಷ್ಟು ಕುಡಿದ್ರು, and remaining water is drunk by Pratap. So Pratap ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕುಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So let us see. Vidya drank 2 liters of water. Water Pratap drink. Water Pratap drink ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕುಡಿದಿರೋ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 5 liters and the vidya drink is 2 liters. Therefore 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 3. Therefore 3 liters ವಾಟರ್ ಯಾರು ಕುಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 3 liters ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಕುಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So therefore ಕೇಳಿರೋದು what fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So ನಾವು 3 liters ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. We have to write in fraction. So fraction ಬರೀಬೇಕು. That is nothing but Pratap drink 3 liters of water. So fraction of water Pratap drink. So fraction ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು so 3 liter Pratap ಕುಡಿದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Total water is 5 liter. That is water Pratap drink by total water, that is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore 3 by 5 of water is drink by Pratap. So this is the answer.